Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I just want to do a winter clothing haul. I'm going to try on everything that I bought and show you guys. Most of the stuff that I purchased came from Kohls, Target, and Burlington Coat Factory. Because it's the winter, I've kind of just been sticking close to home, and those are like my favorite stores in the area. It's been kind of hard to travel to go to other stores, and I haven't really been purchasing a lot online lately because I've been trying not to purchase so many. Some of these things I kind of bought during the fall time, and I never did a fall clothing haul, which I should have done, but I'm gonna combine some of that into my winter haul video today. If you guys want to see all the clothes I bought, then just keep on watching.
It's cold for a summer night. I text you, I'm sorry, I don't mean to bother, but figured I gotta try. And you say you're busy, but I don't believe you, it's keeping me up at night. The way my emotions keep turning around, can keep it inside, no. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Here we go, we go, we go. Already told you I won't let you in. Same old story of my life. You run, but I need you in my life. I've been told to take a hint, now I'm fine. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, 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 cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you. Wish I was a winner. She still wears my heart on her shoulder. Oh man, let's kill her. But she knew I had nothing left to lose and everything to prove. I just wanna be loved by you. Here we go, we go, we go, and let the roller coaster ride begin. Cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, cause I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved by you, I wanna be loved.
So yeah guys, that's it for this clothing haul. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.